Hello everyone, I welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Sirajul Akfaisi. Today in this video, I am going to talk about concept of pericyclic reactions. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel. So friends, let us start our topic today, pericyclic reactions. So chemical reactions, you know, many chemical reactions, there is a bond formation or breaking. There is an intermediate, ionic intermediate such as cation, anion, ion pair, electrophilic cation and nucleophilic anion. There is a transition state formation, rearrangement, pericyclic reactions, two types, thermal and photochemical, and third type, free radical intermediate free radical reactions. This is all about chemical reactions. So friends, this is examples of pericyclic reactions. This is concerted mechanisms. Now, pericyclic reactions, chemical reaction mechanisms, free radical intermediate or ionic intermediate such as cation, anion and sweeter ion. Transition state formation, factors, solvent, catalyst, reagent, structural change not influenced transition state formation. So source of energy either heat or light. Proceed in single cyclic transition state. This is the main point. Reactions not influenced by any solvent, reagents, structural change, catalyst. These are highly stereospecific in nature. These reactions are initiated either by heat or light. Such class of reactions are called as pericyclic reactions. Reactions are either carried out thermally or photochemically. Now, stereospecific reaction versus the stereoselective reactions. A stereospecific reaction is a reaction in which the stereochemistry of the reactant completely determines the stereochemistry of the product without any other options. A stereoselective reaction is a reaction in which there is a choice of pathway, but the product stereoisomers is formed due to its reaction path being more favorable than the other available. The second important point gives a specific product from a certain reactants and can result in multiple products. Final product depends on the stereochemistry of the reactant. Selectivity of the reaction pathway depends on different in steric effect and electronic effect. So these 3 points which deviate and distinguish stereospecific reactions to stereoselective reactions. Now, pericyclic reactions means shifting of electron around the circle, are first explained by scientists Hoffman and Woodward in 1965. So pericyclic reactions, thermal reaction activated by heat, photochemical reactions activated by radiation energy. So activated molecule, electrocyclic reactions, ring closure and ring opening, sigmatropic rearrangement, in reactions, and cycloaddition reaction. The chemistry of activated molecule in thermal and photochemical reaction is totally different. Different products are obtained. Now pericyclic reaction. Pericyclic reactions, activated molecules from mixture 1, electrons and molecular orbital takes part in the reaction. So bonding molecular orbitals, anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So process photochemical, LUMO and thermal HOMO. Take these 2-ethylene diamine. It gives the cyclohexene, and ketosensitizer. In presence of light, you are getting the cis and trans products. So molecular orbital symmetry. Bonding molecular orbital having lower energy and contains electron in ground states. Molecular orbital side, anti-bonding molecular orbitals having higher energy and are empty at ground states. So classified by two independent symmetry properties. One is mirror plane symmetry, M. You see here A and B have mirror plane symmetry, and C2 axis of symmetry B and D. You see B and D have the C2 axis of symmetry. So bonding molecular orbitals and anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So you should know, in anti-bonding molecular orbitals is different from bonding molecular orbitals. Now mirror plane. What is mirror plane symmetry? Is a plane passing through the center of the molecular orbitals and perpendicular to the molecular orbital axis. It bisects the molecular orbital in two parts. One part is mirror image of other parts. It is maintained by this rotatory process. So plane of symmetry, C2 axis of symmetry. So bonding pi orbitals. Here C2 axis of symmetry, plane of symmetry, sigma bond. In the same way, here C2 antibonding pi orbitals. The C2 axis symmetry assumed to presence if the rotation of the molecular orbital around the axis by 180 or 360 by 2 gives rays to another orbital, then reflect it across a plane perpendicular to the axis. It is maintained by conrotatory process. So orbital M and C2. You have the pi S and A, pi star AS, sigma SS and sigma star A. So look at this energy level. Carbocation, alkene, allylic cation, diene, cyclopentadiene cation, diene cation, hexatriene, bonding and antibonding. Now molecular orbital symmetry. 1,3-butadiene, total number of molecular orbital are 4, pi 1, pi 2, pi 2 star and pi 1 star. Where pi 1 and pi 2 are bonding and pi 2 star and pi 1 star are anti-bonding molecular orbital. They are also denoted as psi 1, psi 2, psi 3 and psi 4. So psi 1, psi 2, psi 3, psi 4, M symmetric, antisymmetric, symmetric, antisymmetric, C2 antisymmetric, symmetric, antisymmetric, symmetric, S4 symmetric, A4 antisymmetric. 135 hexatriene, total number of molecular orbital are 6, pi 1, pi 2, pi 3, pi 3 star, pi 2 star, pi 1 star, where pi 1, pi 2 and pi 3 are bonding and pi 3 star, pi 2 star and pi 1 star are anti-bonding molecular orbital. They are also denoted as psi 1, psi 2, psi 3, psi 4, psi 5 and psi 6. Orbital M symmetric, C2 antisymmetric, and so on. Note: when we move in molecular orbital, the sign of orbital change above the plane or consider all orbitals below the plane is called a node. So, for a linear conjugated pi system, the wave function psi n will possesses n-1 nodes. If n-1 is 0 or even integer, psi n will be said to be symmetric with respect to M and antisymmetric with respect to C2. If n-1 is an odd integer, psi n will possess the C2 axis of symmetry and antisymmetric with respect to M. So, psi 1 node 0, psi 2 node 1, psi 3 node 2 and psi 4 node 3. So friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.